Hey guys, Joey here, Joe's RV Tech DIY. We're working on a refrigerator today. It's Dometic 2852. As you can see, it has completely failed and it needs to be replaced. The cooling unit is bad on it. So it had a leak somewhere inside here in the boiler. And so we'll end up replacing this whole fridge in this circumstance. But one thing you can look for is that is a surefire indicator is when you see a lot of yellow inside here, you really shouldn't see any yellow color in here at all. So as to why this happened, it could have been a number of different things that could have happened to it. It could have just been a weak spot in the boiler. It could have been ran off level for a prolonged period of time. So there's a number of things that can cause it, but these are not rechargeable. A lot of people think that you can recharge these. There's a place called Ford's RV Refrigeration. They do recharge them from what I hear and what I've been told. So if you're, I think it's in Kentucky. I'm not 100% positive on that, but I'll post a link below if you guys want to reach out to him if you're in his area, because I do think that he recharges them. But as far as your average technician coming out on site and recharging these refrigerators, it just doesn't happen. So a lot of things on this are still good. Gas valve, the controller, the heating element, the burner, the igniter. So what we do with these parts is typically we'll give them away to somebody who can't afford them free of charge. So if you guys need any parts for your Dometic refrigerator, we'll post a link below where you can pick them up from our site or from one of our affiliate sites. So till next time, safe travels, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one.